Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So, let me just go ahead and say this. If you haven't been able to see the schedule that I put up last week for this channel, it is up. After this, I will go and try to repost it on my community post so it can be back at the top. But you'll know that I have my vlogs on the schedule and I have other things on a schedule like this video. So today is August 27, 2024. Okay, so last week I was off a little bit because I had just did the schedule and was trying to get stuff, all in order and stuff. So this week we are on it rocking. You got the vlog yesterday, and today is the day for scenario 3. Building an emergency food pantry on a $20 budget. Okay, so that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. Now let me just go ahead and say this. Normally I would do this live, okay? But scenario 1 and scenario 2 with the internet and OBS is taking so much, it go in and out, in and out, in and out. So I did not want to do that. So I said, hey, let me try the recording feature on OBS. And that is what I'm using right now. When I upload this, I may upload it as a premiere. That way I can talk to y'all in the chat while y'all are watching this and I can watch it with you. So that is what a premiere is. So I think on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, I will upload these as a premiere, okay? So I will be in the chat with you, all right? So that is how this is going to go. That way you can hear. I don't have to worry about it's disconnecting and reconnecting and all like that. So now that out of the way, let's get into scenario 3, building an emergency food pantry on a $20 budget. Now, y'all know I am doing Walmart. Reason why? A lot of people got Walmart. Y'all don't have other stores. Well, some of you don't have other stores around, but if you got anything, you got a Walmart or you go to Walmart regular. All right. So today is going to be a very, very, very important stock up. You need this more than food, and that is water. Okay. Water, water, water. So I got a couple scenarios that I have done for y'all, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what those are. All right. So let's get to it. All right. All right. So we're going to be talking about Great Value because Great Value water is the cheapest. And, we're doing this on a budget. Now is very critical that you get your water in. Look at what's going on with these other places, other countries and stuff like that, and how, things are done escalated. You need to get water, okay? So let's start off with the 40 count, okay? Great Value purified drinking water, 16.94 ounce bottles, 40 count, okay? That's right here. Let me bring it a little bigger on the screen for you. All right, it is the 40 half-liter bottles, value pack, $5.36. Now, depending on where you located, it may be a little higher, may be a little lower. Wait, why that sound funny? Lower. Oh my goodness, y'all. All right. But just because it's Walmart, some areas have their prices a little higher, some a little lower than other places, even though it is the same company, okay? So, scenario number 1, I did 4 of these 40 count 16.4 ounce bottles of water. If you get 4 at $5.36, your total will be $21.44 before tax. So that take you a little bit over the $20 mark, but not too far. That's 4 cases of the 40 ounce, of not 40 ounce, of the 40 pack water. That will give you 160 bottles of water for $21.44. All right, so that's one scenario. So now let's just say you want to get 3 cases of this water at $5.36. 3 cases will put you at $16.08. So now you got a little wiggle room for something else. So if you want to get the 3 cases, $16.08, that'll keep you under the $20 mark. But if you want to get closer to the $20 mark, you can do 3 of the 40 pack, $16.08, plus 3 of the gallon jugs, okay? And the gallon jugs are right here, all right? They are $1.37. So you can get 3 of those to go with 3 of the 40 counts, and that will put you at $20.19 before taxes, okay? So you'll have, 2 different types, but still a lot of water. That'll put you at the 3 jugs and 120 bottles of water if you do it that way. Also, another way that you can do it, just keep it simple. If you just want to do this, you can go and just get 15 jugs of this water right here at $1.37, and that will put you at $20.55. Okay? So, whichever way you want to do it, those are the scenarios for that. All right, let's go ahead and go to the 24 counts. For anybody's money that may be a little funny, like all of us these days, okay? So, great value brand water here, but it's the 24 count. It is still the 16.94 ounce, all right? $3.64 a case. So just say you go in Walmart, I'm gonna get some water. You get 5 cases at $3.64 for $18.20. So now you're below the $20 mark, okay? You're below the $20 mark, but you still have 120 bottles of water if you get 5 cases of the 24 count. All right? Now you just say, well, I want to get closer to the $20, stay on my marker. Okay, so now you can get 5 cases because that puts you at $18.20 plus 1 of these jug waters that is $1.37, and that'll put you at $19.54, okay, before taxes, and you're still below your $20 mark, and you have 120 bottles of water, the 16.9 ounce bottles, plus 1 gallon jug. Can't beat that with a stick, okay? That is still good, all right? All right, so next, let's just do, I did another scenario mixing the 2 together, all right? So, and that would be the $5.36 one for the 40 pack and the $3.64 case for the 24 pack. So, if you go in there, I'm going to get some more. If $5.36 40 pack, you get 3 of those, all right? Let's see. You get 3 of those, that's 120 bottles. And then you're going to add 1 of the 24 case, which is 364. So you add 1 of those. And that will be $19.72. And you come out with 144 bottles of water. All right. So those are the scenarios. Now, I know some people only do the still water. So let's check the prices on that just to make sure. Yep, $1.37 for your distilled water. So if this is what you prefer to have, distilled water, a gallon of it at Walmart, great value brand, it's still $1.37. All right. So you mix and match whichever way you may want to do it. Now, I will say this. I get a lot of my water from Sam's Club. I didn't mention it because a lot of people don't have Sam's Club. And if you do have Sam's Club, you don't have a membership and you don't care to have one, for whatever reasons. That's why I did not mention it. But a lot of my cases of water, I get 40 pack for about $4.48 at Sam's Club. All right, so that's where I stock up on my water. But like I say, for those of you that do not have that in your area, or you just it's just easier for you to go to Walmart. So, there you go. So that is why I did it like that. So water is a need. Now, I'm going to add something on this just to show you. I keep some of these. I know I got some in my emergency preps for a reason. But someone that I was talking to recently that I know personally had said, you know what, make sure you have these. And I'm like, yeah, I've had those for years. They come in handy. So I'm going to bring them to your attention because we're talking about water. And that is the coffee filters, okay? Coffee filters. Y'all probably have heard me talk about this a while ago, putting them in bug out bags and stuff like that. The reason why these are good is because if you need to strain water, we're stocking up on water, but just say you need to strain some water so you can try to purify, and it's got sticks and gunk and getting all that leaves and stuff in it. These coffee filters will do that. It will allow the water to come out while it's holding all the other stuff. It is lightweight. It is very, very lightweight. Different from you having a strainer or something and it's big and bulky or this, that, and other. Coffee filters will be something good to get if you when you're getting your water. And as you can see, the mainstays coffee filters, 5-cup paper disposable basket coffee filters are 200 counts for $1.88. You can't beat that with a stick. All right, so down here they got some great value ones. It's 100 for $1.86. So you get more bang for your buck if you go over there and get the mainstays. 200 for $1.88. Because these right here is 100 for $1.86. So I just wanted to throw that in there. Make sure you get some of those. They are very inexpensive and they will come in handy. So yeah, that will wrap up our building an emergency food pantry on a $20 budget scenario. We talked about water because it is so important for people to get water. Get water. I cannot stress that enough. If something were to happen to our water system like it has happened recently in other countries with all this mayhem that is going on, a lot of people gonna be up the creek without a paddle. You got to get water. You need water before food. Your body can go longer without food in some cases, depending on, if you're taking medication or something, this, that, and the other. Your body can go longer without food, but it cannot go that long without water, okay? Water to the body is like fuel to a vehicle, all right? You need that water, all right? Just like a vehicle needs that fuel to drive. You go on E, you risk being on the side of the road. Just like the same thing with water. Without water, you can't go. Your body and your organs need it, okay? So that is why it's so important. All right, so with that being said, I am going to go ahead and end this. I hope to see y'all with, let me see, it's a vlog that come out tomorrow. Or anytime I go live with any news or anything. I got so much I need to talk to y'all about when it comes to this news. But I was just so busy getting this thing on the road. So got it on the road, got it going. You getting your video when you're supposed to and all that good stuff. So yeah, so I will be definitely, if it's God's will, talking to y'all a little later. All right, so I'm gonna end this. I hope y'all enjoy. Y'all be safe, and I'll see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Mwah. Bye.